Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about median. Median is one of the measure that is used to locate the center of data, and it is the measure of center tendency that is most commonly used in statistic as well as in research. Now there are three different formulas: two for ungrouped data and one for group data. So first we start for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, if we have odd number of observation, then we use this formula, that is median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th item, its value. Uh, and for even, for example, we have six observation. For even we take two positions. The one is n by 2th and the second one is n by 2 plus 1th position. Now, for example, we have these six observation. For medium, there is the one condition that data should be either in ascending order or in descending order. So first we have the data 5, 7, 10, 20, 16, and 12. First we arrange the data like 5, 7, 10, 12, 16, 20. Now it is in ascending order. Now for art, we will use this formula. For art, n equal to 5. So we will put here 5. 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2, third item. So just we have this data, and this is the number of observations are odd, and the third position is your median, that is 10. So without using the median formula, even we can locate the median by looking at the series, because just leave first two observation and last two observation, because we have only 5 observations. So the middle would be your center of the data, that is median. Now, for example, we have even number, like we have these six numbers. First, we have arranged the data, and then we will apply this formula. So here 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1. Solving this, we will get third and fourth. And third and fourth values are 10 and 20. And just we will take the average of this 10 and 20, we will get 11. So our median is, in this case, 11. Now for group data, we usually use this one, median equal to lower bound plus class width divided by f, and that is multiplied by n divided by 2 minus c. Now to understand this formula, we should have some information about group data. For example, this is our group data. These are weights that are classified into 4 different classes. The first class, second class 56, 60, third class 61, 65, and so on. These are called class limits. For example, 51 is lower class limit and 55 is upper class limit. And now the requirement for median is that we should convert these class limits into class bounds. So how we can calculate? We can calculate by taking the difference. For example, here the difference, the difference of lower class limit of second class and upper class limit of first class, like this one, 55 and 56, the difference is 1, and we divide it by 2. So 0.5 is basically is used. It is the number that would be used to convert these class limits into class 1. How? 0.5, we will subtract this 0.5 from lower class limit, and it would be added upper class limit for each class. So 51 minus 0.5, we are getting 50.5. Similarly, 56 minus 0.5, 50.5, and so on. Now, for upper limit, we are adding this 0.5, 55 plus 0.5, 55.5, 60 plus 0.56, and so on. Now here we have the other concept that is called class marks or midpoints. These are calculated by taking the average of upper class bound and lower class bound, or we can take the average of upper class limit and lower class limit. Uh, Now here we have another concept of that is class width or H. It is calculated at basically it is the numerical value that is difference between upper class bound and lower class bound. For example, this is lower class bound and this upper class bound. So difference would be 5. So it would be give us class width or H. Now for group data, for example, we have this data, we have weights, and this is frequency. First of all, we convert these class limits into class bound in the same way that I have explained earlier. Means difference of 61 minus 60, that is 1 divided by 2, we will get this 0.5. So it will be subtracted from our lower class limits and it will be added in our upper class limits. So we will get this one. Now these are class bounds. Now frequency, first of all, we add this frequency 4 plus 5 plus 7, 11, 13, 6, 4. We will get 50. So this is mission F and this is our N. And then we calculate our this cumulative frequency 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 11 27 plus 13 40, 40 plus 6 46, and 46 plus 4 50, and this 50 and this 50 should be matched. Now after doing all this calculation, now we will, the first step is to find the median class. Now, how median class can be located? Uh, First of all, we divide it by 2 because this is n by 2. Later on, when we will discuss quantiles, means quartile, decile, and percentile, so this would be changed and rest of the formula would be almost remain same. So n by 2, we have calculated n by 2, that is 25. Now we will look at this 25 in cumulative frequency. Now 4, no. In 9, no. In 16, no. No, this 25 lies in this 27. So this would give us our median class. So in this case, our median class that I am highlighting is 80.5 and 90.5. Now after highlighting this median class, we will get the values for all these variable. So L is lower class, this one, 80.5. F is 11, this frequency. N summation F, that is 50. C is basically the in located cumulative frequency, the preceding value, that is 16. So here C is our 16, this one. And H is the difference between these two, 90.5 and 80.5, that is 10. Now, after putting the values in this formula, we will get 88.68. So median is 88.6. We have another question as well. Now, here was the data. First, we have calculated class bounds, and then we have added the frequency, and we then are calculating our cumulative frequency. Now, in median class, like here we have n by 2, n by 2 is basically 18. So we will check this 18 in cumulative class that will lies in 27. So our median class is 74.5 and 79.5, that is written here separately. Now we will get the values for all these variables. So L is 74.5, our F is this 12, and C is 15, and H is the difference between these two, that is 5. Now putting the values in this formula, we will get 75.75. So this is the calculation of median. I have explained both formulas, means for ungrouped data as well as for group data. Thank you very much for watching this video.